In the dynamic world of manufacturing, product quality is king. But what if there was a way to take quality control to the next level? Presenting the Umbrella AI Visual Inspection System, where innovation meets expertise with unparalleled precision. Equipped with advanced cameras, our system captures every detail of products in real time. Powerful AI algorithms analyze these images with incredible precision, identifying even the tiniest defects. Whether it's imperfections in shape, color, or texture, our AI system detects these discrepancies with remarkable accuracy. But it doesn't stop there. Our system not only identifies defects but also provides real-time insights and analytics, enabling immediate corrective action. This is transformative. Manufacturers experience fewer defects, resulting in improved efficiency, reduced waste, and enhanced product quality. AI visual inspection is more than a technology, it's a paradigm shift. It's redefining how we ensure product excellence. Contact us to embark on a journey of innovation and unmatched product quality.